Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, a great phone with great AI features. Samsung presented the phone with high hopes, and people bought every bit of their words by showing their loyalty to the brand. As the saying goes, the product speaks for itself. But it seems like the tides are not turning in Samsung's favor. A lot of people who bought Galaxy S24 Ultra are facing the number of issues. From screen colors to camera transition issues, from display green lines to speaker problems. These problems might exist for the time being. But it seriously wasn't expected from a device that is so expensive and has great brand value. Today, we will discuss 4 major issues that people are facing in their Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra smartphone. Number 1. A user vision creation posted on X, formerly known as Twitter, about his camera lens transition issue. This is what he discovered when he went to the Samsung Service Center to check about the lens transition issue. The transition issue happens when you're too close to the object, considering the 5x lens minimum focus distance is 25 centimeters. The transition issue in the customer unit is when zooming in from 3x to 5x, but the user found that some demo units at the store have the transition issue when they zoom out from 5x to 3x, or when they zoom in. So, replacing the unit can still have the problem. The engineer at the service center said it was a software issue, and it would be fixed by a software update. The engineer's own unit has the same issue, and the user saw it himself. The user then informed the engineer that Samsung India acknowledged in one case that it was a hardware issue, but the engineer confirmed it was not. Rather, the problem is software-related. Clearly, it signifies things are not transparent at Samsung. Number 2. Display color dullness problem. Many early users have reported that they are facing display color issues. One of the smartphone users posted on the Samsung website community tab. The user described the problem as follows. The most discussed and frustrating part of the S24 Ultra is that the display colors seem to be dull. The lack of vibrant colors is clearly visible, even when compared with S21 Ultra. Even many people said that their S10 Plus display colors look much better than S24 Ultra. Some people have suggested a few solutions that improved it a bit, but for most of users, those solutions didn't work or did not improve it to a level where it's noticed. Initially, the Samsung team acknowledged that they were looking into it and a software update might fix it, but now they have changed their stance and saying that users have to use various display options available in the settings to adjust the colors to their liking. The smartphone user further stated that, being a Samsung ecosystem owner, Buds 2 Pro, Watch 5, S21 Ultra, this is not acceptable, and surely it won't be acceptable to many others. He said that he would be returning his S24 Ultra. This is the only way to let Samsung listen to this issue and resolve it in an acceptable way. We can only make them listen via our wallets. These are the exact words a loyal Samsung fan said. Samsung should be really careful now because the market is flooded with flagship devices that are better than one another. Number 3. Display green and white line issues. A user posted on Reddit about the green line issue in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. He said day 6 of owning the Samsung S24 Ultra and the screen has failed. Green and white lines are shown constantly, even during boot. Neither reboot nor factory reset fixes the issue. Number 4. Last but not least, speaker problems. One of the smartphone users in India, Sampath Kumar, mentioned his problem in my recent video comments section. The user said that he has returned the mobile as the speaker is having issues. The sound comes like a cheap speaker and a vibration-like noise. After showing it in the service center, they accepted their mistake, but they're refunding the money instead of replacement and telling the user to reorder again. Now, if he reorders the phone, he will not get the early pre-order benefits, and he will have to pay extra money to buy the same device. This is seriously pathetic. The problems we discussed are few as compared to what people might be facing with their newly bought S24 Ultra smartphone. This is why I always say that the customer should wait for at least 6 months before ordering the newly launched smartphone. Pre-order benefits are nothing but a bait to lure people in. So next time, if you ever plan to buy a newly launched smartphone, always remember this advice or you shall fall prey to these companies. Join the conversation below and let us know if you are also facing these issues. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.